We are on a road trip to the boonies. Okay, actually we're going to Booneville, Arkansas, which is almost basically the boonies. At least they have a Walmart there, but I think that's just a requirement for all places in the state of Arkansas. First stop for dinner at Chick-fil-A in Corinth, Mississippi. Somebody got deluxe. Next we drive around through Memphis. Uh-oh, why are there police officers walking across the bridge? As soon as we pass Memphis, we are in Arkansas. A couple hours later, we're in Little Rock, which is where we're stopping for the night. Do you want a cookie? Did you get a cookie? We're staying in the Comfort Inn. They were extremely pet-friendly here. Hey! Get out of there. Archie lost his leash, so what do we have? An old USB cable. It's German engineering. We got our breakfast and soon we are back on the road. We still have a few hours left until we reach Booneville, and I'm working remotely along the way. And finally we arrive in Booneville. We'll have a little picnic in this cute park here. Gonna make a salad. Subway salad. The purpose of this trip was to check up on a property and put it on the market, so we're here getting some drone shots of the place. Archie is quite wary of the drone. Stop, 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 stop. He's all talk.
Oh. Archie. Yeah. Give me this
shovel. After the work is done, we're going to the nearby Mount Magazine State Park for some amazing views. We just walked along the trail here right behind this incredible lodge. Archie, don't pull. Want more water? No? Good boy. We're going to Oklahoma. We stayed the night in Fort Smith because there's not really anywhere to stay in Booneville. Fort Smith is so close to the border that we decided just to drive into Oklahoma because I've never been to this state before.
Meeting.
Thank you, sir. Gosh, so fancy. Look at this spread. The next morning in Booneville, they had a Make-A-Wish charity car show. Now it's time to make our way back. Of course, we stopped quickly at the IKEA in Memphis. Are you home?